Income tax raids on hospitals and the residence of the sisters of the activist Yogendra Yadav finally ended today after 27 hours in Rewari in Haryana. While Mr. Yadav has called it a move aimed at intimidating him because of his campaign for farmers' rights, the Income Tax Department's explanation on the raids has raised several questions.
A raging controversy has erupted over income tax raids on the hospitals and homes of Yogendra Yadav's sisters, Dr. Poonam Yadav and Dr. Neelam Yadav in Haryana.
To accusations that the IT department was acting on political basis, the department claims that it was sifting through crores of sales made by Nirav Modi and found that Yogendra Yadav's family had bought jewellery worth a total of 6 lakh rupees, out of which 3.5 lakh rupees were paid in cash, and this information was then used to carry out multiple raids on Yogendra Yadav's family and businesses.
According to one estimate, sales by Nirav Modi amounted to nearly 6,000 crore in 2016. The IT has not been able to answer why from these crores of transactions they have singled out only this one sale of 3.5 lakh rupees. How many of the Nirav Modi sales are cash transactions and how many others have been raided? These are also questions to which the IT department is reluctant to provide answers. It is for this singling out that Yogendra Yadav claims the raids are political vendetta.
MSP के सवाल पे हम एक बड़ा आंदोलन यहाँ छेड़ने वाले हैं और साथ में शराब के ठेके जो हर पंचायत में खुल रहे हैं उसके खिलाफ आंदोलन करेंगे। कल हरियाणा के कृषि मंत्री से जब पत्रकारों ने मेरी पदयात्रा के बारे में पूछा तो वो बौखलाए और आज रेड हो जाती है। जितना डराने की कोशिश करेंगे उतना जोर से बोलेंगे, स्पष्ट बोलेंगे।
The IT department, however, claims in the course of the raids, they have seized 29 lakh rupees from 3 premises, 1 residence and 2 hospitals belonging to the Yadav family. They also claim to have found evidence of tax evasion in the form of cash receipts of hospital transactions. The Yadav family neither confirmed nor denied the 29 lakh rupee cash, but they say all the assets are above board. In a statement to NDTV, the family said, "We cannot judge why the raids happened. Our only connection with Nirav Modi is that a ring worth 3.5 lakh rupees was bought from a Nirav Modi jewellery showroom in Delhi in February 2017. All the money and assets involved came from our taxable income." With Sukirti Dwivedi in Rewari and Neeta Sharma in Delhi, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.